In this video, we'll learn how to insert a live word count in your Microsoft Word document so that you can keep track of your word count as you go. Let's say this is your document and you want to add a word count somewhere in it. Start by placing your cursor where you want the word count to appear. Then go to the Insert tab. Click on Quick Parts and then select Field. From the list, choose Document Information under Categories. Now select Num Words from the list of fields. Click OK, and there you go. Your word count appears right in your document. Now, let's test it. Type a few more words into your document. You'll notice that the word count doesn't update automatically. To refresh it, simply right-click on the word count and select Update field. The count will refresh to reflect your latest changes. So every time you add more content and want to see the updated word count, just right-click and choose Update field. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the Knowledge Academy for more quick and useful Microsoft Word tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.